Hello, I'm a back student. Now I'm taking you to know about sustainability program of IKEA. Let's go. Firstly, let's get to know about us.
We are a Swedish-founded multinational group that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances, and home accessories, among other useful 20-year-old carpenter Ingvar Kamprad. The company's name is an acronym that consists of Kamprad's initials with those of Emtarid, the farm where he grew up, and Agunnaryd, his hometown in Småland, southern Sweden.
What kind of sustainable program we do?
The sustainable program that we have is using only renewable and recycled materials in our products by 2030, in the latest commitment by a global store group to reduce the impact on the environment.
What are the goals of the program?
We aim to use only renewable and recycled materials by 2030. Turning waste into resources, sending zero waste to landfill. To take the lead in transforming secondary materials into clean and safe resources. Sourcing and producing renewable and recycled materials with a positive environmental impact. Establishing and promoting systems and services to enable a circular economy.
What are some potential pros and cons of the program?
We can reduce absolute greenhouse gas emissions to contribute to limiting global temperature increase to well below 2 Celsius, aiming toward 1.5 Celsius by the end of the century. We can inspire and enable more than 1 billion people to live better lives within the limits of the planet. We can reduce the climate impact of each of its products by more than 2/3 by the end of the next decade. The program requires higher production cost and more complex operation system.
Why does company run such program?
Raw materials account for most of IKEA's greenhouse gas emissions, and along with extending the potential lifespan of its products, is where we see the biggest opportunities for reducing its impact on the environment.
Is CSR involved? How do we know?
Yes, there is CSR involved in this program. IKEA realized that operating its business causes a certain amount of gas emission which harms the people and environment surrounding its business. Therefore, IKEA tries to be people and planet positive by reducing the climate impacts of their products through the process of reusing.
How to evaluate the sustainability program of the company?
IKEA has set a long-term goal to use only renewable and recycled materials by 2030. Now 60% of the IKEA furniture is based on renewable material, and another 10% is using a recycled material. The CEO of IKEA has committed through the company's strategy. Along with IKEA's vision and business idea, they believe that taking responsibility for the environment is a prerequisite for doing good business. IKEA works actively to reduce the impact on climate change and work with the suppliers who are concerned about the environment as well. Ultimately, this CSR program is aligned with the company's core values. It does for the benefits of a whole, not for a great image for the company.
Thank you.